Hey guys, this is a different spot that I never work in. I'm usually in the garage, but this is a very important announcement. We have a new series of videos coming out, 3 videos to be exact, about a pit bike disassemble, rebuild, and then making this thing fucking awesome. So I really hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy throughout this next week. Hopefully I'm going to have uploads every 2 days, but stay tuned, watch for more. And we really appreciate all the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions that we've been getting. We've been getting a lot in the past month, and we are so thankful for that. So keep that charity work up, and we'll be very happy, guys. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy this, and maybe we might be releasing some moto vlogs soon. So stay tuned and enjoy.
It should be. There were hell. I spin the whole axle up on the other side.
I thought it was MasterCraft.
No, I'm pretty sure they have this one at Princess Auto.
This one is not.
Dude, you're not even on the bolt. Look here.
Oh yeah, I'm on the. Yes.
Bernie's gonna work on this pit bike and thank you. We might be able to do it today. Maybe.
Because like, I realized that the more videos we post, the more like subscribers we obviously get, and the more views we get, because it's like we have more out there, right? So it's gonna be the faster way.
Do you have like a sawzall or like?
Even a jigsaw could do it. It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I have one, but I don't have a chuck and I don't have blades. But we could probably like fucking jerry rig something up.
Right.
But anyway, I want to measure from like the middle of the wagon, the green wagon, to the wall, and just build. I should go grab my knife.
I like woodwork.
Hey, you want to come tomorrow?
So maybe.
Dude, this knife's
Like
sick.
I've fucked on projects.
Nice.
It's sick, dude. This red safety is pretty awesome.
That's what I thought. It was cool. We can do like a parts thing at the end of like what parts we're replacing.
I don't know how to get this apart. We'll figure it out though. Figure it out when the new part comes.
I got it. Don't worry. I think it comes with a new needle and everything.
But just to make sure, we'll just keep it.
Yeah. This whole exhaust too. And that's a big problem. Look at how rusty this fucking chain is. Almost as rusty as the exhaust. Actually, let's put all this little shit in boxes. Organized. You got that cable and stuff?
I have to take the kickstart out. Yeah, the cables and all.
You put them all in like their little homes. That goes together. Whole thing's gotta come.
Unless you can push it, hold it down. But I think we should just maybe push it. It has to come out.
Yeah,
I put it back in anyways.
need like a bike stand too. Something like that.
Well, we could just drill into the bench. It's
Is this bolted on somehow, or is it?
yeah, starter thing. Do you remember how you got this thing off? Just fucking give her a yank.
Yeah, you might have to loosen this as much as possible. So giving the whole thing a makeover. Making her look good. Sell the bitch. Fuck yeah. What size is this?
8.
Too small. Yeah, you can turn off. Oh yeah.
Well, keep eating milk that.
Hold on. Sure, where all these guys go. Wrong way. Spring.
Let me see.
Yeah, yours is off.
Okay, spring. Give me those needle nose.
Just pull it off, yeah.
Holy shit, it's tight. There's a lot of tension on it. There, wait.
Fucking tight.
Watch your face.
Whoa. See, it's like threaded all the way. Or no, it isn't. I'm retarded. Ah! Got it. Fucking it, bro.